Hi guys, good morning. How are you? How is everything? I hope everything is going well. Today I'm going to talk about the American idioms with their various meanings. Especially idioms, slangs, and expressions are more of dialectical, which basically focus on someone's cultures and norms. I'm focusing on what idioms are. From the definition, I'm going to give some important idioms which go together with our real life contexts. Yeah. So what are idioms are? Idioms are expressions, or maybe just they are called phrases and expressions, and they do not just have literal meaning, or we cannot define by reading the phrases and the expressions. We go beyond their literal meaning. We understand from the expression or the phrase itself. All right, so you can say that idioms, or repeat that they are phrases or they are expressions, and we cannot just define their meaning with their literal meaning. And actually we can define the meaning of the idioms according to the structure of the phrases and the expressions, and also they have their implied meaning, which is called implied by itself is hidden meaning. Hidden meaning, we cannot just hidden by itself is they have figurative meanings. Okay, figurative meanings. So readers cannot simply define, cannot understand by reading the expressions and the phrases, right? Because we may not get clues from the expression. So sometimes we depend on our cultures, okay, our entities. Focusing on that, we are able to just define or use the expression for these American idioms. Yeah. እነዚህ አይዲዮምስ ስላንግስ እና አሜሪካን ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አክቹዋሊ ስፔሻሊ አይዲዮም የዛሬው ርዕሴ ሲሆን አይዲዮም ስንል የሐረጉን ወይም የአረፍተ ነገሩን ትርጉም በቀጥታ አይተን መረዳት የምንችለው ነገር አይደለም። ሊትራል ሚኒንጉ ራፍ የሆነ ሊትራል ሚኒንግ አይደለም ያለው። ኦኬ። ስለዚህ በአብዛኛው እነዚህ አይዲዮሞች ሂድን ኦር ኢንፈረንሻል ኦር ኢምፕላይድ ሚኒንግ ነው ያላቸው ወይም ፊግራቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው ያላቸው። እነዚህ አይዲዮሞች ዲያሌክቲካል ናቸው። ዲያሌክቲካል ማለት ሞር ኦፍ ዘይቤያዊዎች ናቸው። ካልቸር ቤዝድ ናቸው። አክቹአሊ ካልቸር ቤዝድ። ለምሳሌ እዚህ አንድ አካባቢ ያለ አይዲዮም ሌላ ቦታ ሌላ ትርጉም ነው ያለው። ኦኬ ሶ they are called idioms እንላቸዋለን። ሶ actually which are important more of an informal language ናቸው እነዚህ. We basically do not use for formal language. We most of the time use for these idioms for an informal communication, but they are important to improve our confidence and our English communication, especially for our pronunciation, because the more we pronounce for these idioms and slangs, the better we improve our vocabulary, the better we improve our expression, and the better we improve our intention of communicating, especially for English language. So the values are very high. Okay, the values are especially for young boys and girls nowadays. We are immersed, or they are immersed, or you are immersed in informal language, especially for the American English. The American English are basically focused on an informal language, which is easily can communicate it. So my intention here is what idioms are. አሁን በተለይ በኢትዮጵያ ኮንቴክስት አብዛኛው ኢመርስድ የሆነበት ወጣቱ እነዚህ ስላንግስ ኤንድ አይዲዮምስ ናቸው። አንደኛ ቀላል ናቸው፣ ሁለተኛ ቬሪ ሾርት ኤክስፕሬሽን ናቸው፣ and also an informal language ኮሚኒኬት ለማድረግ ምቹ ናቸው። ሶ እነሱን የሆነ ፍንጭ መስጠት ነው ፈልገው ዛሬ። ስለዚህ ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኩት የተወሰኑትን ነው እንደ ምሳሌ ማየቱን ፈልገው ዛሬ። so the first one is to belly up ነው የምንለው። ያ to belly up, what's belly up mean? To belly up, the pronunciation to belly up, go out of just, go out of business. You're right, business, or we can say that to lose everything, to lose everything, lose everything, everything, which is to belly up. This is the definition to belly up means. You belly up phrasal verb actually to belly up, out of, go out of business or to lose something. So let me just give you example sentence about this to belly up. He's to belly up. Yes, he's actually a trader, a merchant. Because of some economical crisis, he is to belly up. He is to belly up means his business is low. It's actually here. His I can say that he's to belly up. For instance, here to go out of business and no, just ከሲስተም ውጭ ወጣ ለማለት ነው right ከሲስተም ውጭ ወጣ ለማለት ነው ሲስተም ውጭ ወጣውን ሳይ assume he is a merchant but because of some circumstances his business doesn't run effectively. Yes, his business, let me give you examples here. His business doesn't go effectively. Okay, doesn't go effectively. His belly out. Yeah, his belly out. He's to belly out. Okay, he's to belly out. To belly out here. Belly out. Yes, right. One meaning his business doesn't go effectively. He's a product actually. Yeah, he's to belly up means maybe he's not productive in a sense. He doesn't get any profit. His net income is in loss, or his belly out. He's not productive totally. All right, go out of business marathon. He'll lose everything. All right, maybe I just for myself, yeah, I don't give value for my academic performance. My achievement is maybe less or poor, so I'm belly out from the business. Okay, I'm belly out from my business means my business is for teaching, learning, academic. For I haven't got anything. Just my academic performance remains null. Okay, so you can just use to belly up not only for in focusing, but in any very contextual. We can just use to belly up mean right. Go out of business or this is one belly up. Yeah, actually yes. Okay, just all his friends have left the country. He stays alone here. He's belly up. I can say it right. All his friends have left the country, and he stays or he lives alone. He's belly up. He's to belly up means he lose everything. Means his friends are not with him. All right, belly up ስንል ጓደኞቹ ሁሉም ለቀው አገር ለቀው ሄደዋል። ስለዚህ ብቻውን ነው የቀረው ስንል he lose everything ነው ጓደኞቹን ትቶ we cannot focus on things which are for things actually. So sometimes we can just use to belly up for contextualize. So this is to belly up mean. The other one is out of just on cloud mind. On cloud mind. What's on cloud mind mean? On cloud mind. What's the definition, please? On cloud mind here is extremely happy. Yes, extremely happy. Happy, you can say that extremely happy. On cloud mind. On cloud, yeah. Cloud, you know, cloud means you can just give what's cloud means, which is black and sometimes smart. Yes, we feel happy when there are a lot of clouds on the sky because it's going to rain. All right, it's going to rain. We can just understand what one cloud mind from this sense, please. What was cloud mind? So ደመና ሰማይ ላይ ስናይ ጠቁሮ ምናምን ሆኖ ዝናብ ሊጥል ነው ብለን የሆነ ፊሊንጋችን ሃፒነስ ይሰማናል አይደል? ሃፒነስ ይሰማናል። so on cloud mind ከዛ ኮንቴክስት ነው on cloud mind ያስንል extremely happy. Let me just give you an example phrase for this extremely happy, please. I feel extremely happy. Yes, I feel on cloud mind. On cloud mind because yeah, I feel in cloud mind because I got a nice job, so I got a promotion and my salary is nice, so I send my children a better school and I feel on cloud mind. I can say that. Yes, job promotion again. So I'm on cloud mind, so I'm extremely happy. I won the 2025 DV lottery, so my life will be in America, or I enjoy my life in America. I'm on cloud mind. I can say that. Yeah. So things which make you happy, so you can just use on cloud mind. ስለዚህ አንተን ሊያስደስት የሚችል ማንኛቸውም ነገሮችን የምንገልጽበት ነው idioms and American idioms ማለት happiness things which you create happiness which you feel happiness you can just use on cloud mind. Today I am on cloud mind, yeah, because today I am on cloud mind because I meet my old friend. So I can say that, yeah. Assume I'm a merchant, so I got good profit, and I'm on cloud mine because my profit is high. So I'll be an investor next time. If things can just like continue on the way, please. So cloud mine. So you can just use cloud mine. And I'm on cloud. My sister is on cloud mine because her father bought a very smartphone. So her father bought a very modern and fast car on cloud mine. You can say that cloud mine. Today I feel cloud mine. I watch a very interesting and very educable film. So we can just use on cloud mind in different contexts. Things which make you feel happy, you can use on cloud mind. Okay, I'm on cloud and my country Ethiopia is on the way to get a change. All right, I'm in cloud mind because of my country, because there is a change. Okay, there's a change, and Ethiopia will compete with the developed countries. So we can just talk just on cloud mind. Yeah, on cloud mind. It doesn't take about on cloud mind. You simply can say on cloud mind. What makes you cloud mind? Because I ate a very delicious breakfast. Yeah, look at why a cloud mind. Through what a dusty million meet up with course about the cloud mind. You can say that. Yeah, cloud mind. Yeah, nice. The other one here is another expression is throw thick and thin. Throw thick and thin. What? Throw thick and thin. Throw thick under all circumstances ማለት ነው. Under all circumstances. Circumstances, yes. Yes. Throw thick and thin. Thick, thick. Throw. Thick, something which is, very rough, thick, Thin means which is opposite of thick, all right? Thick and thin. Thick, and I can just I can do things which are thick and sometimes thin. Thick idea and thin idea. Thick, something which is hard, something which needs critical thinking. Thick. Thin means something which is shallow, not hard, do not just think of critically, which is shallow. Thick and thin ስንል የሚገልጸው ነገር አለ። ጠንከር ያለ ነገርና ለስለስ ያለ ነገር ስንል all circumstance የሚለው all circumstance ማለት whatever the circumstances are difficult and harsh, and the other maybe were very smooth circumstance, you can just go on this context with, all right? ከዚህ ኮንቴክስት አኳያ ነው ዲፋይን ማለት። ስለዚህ under all circumstances ማለት ነው. Yes, yeah, it's true. You can just use, right, like this. ለምሳሌ we can use, yes, we can use these tools, to throw, yes, throw thick and thin, yeah, thick and thin, yes. Is portable, yes. One is portable and easy to use, yeah, easy to use. You can say that, yeah, yeah. We can use this, so the tools, this was for thick and thin. It's portable and easy to use, yeah. ይህንን ኢንስትሩመንት የትኛውን ቦታ መጠቀም እንችላለን? ፖርቴብል ነው፣ ለመጠቀም ቀላል። in all circumstances means all circumstances, yeah. Just right. So thick and thin, you can just have, we will have a meeting. So thick and thin, we'll have a meeting somewhere in a very smart hall, maybe in a very small class, whatever, any place which is convenient to hold at least more than 50 people. So you can see that thick and thin in all circumstances. Yes, right. I'm okay in throw thick and thin. Yes, I'm okay. I'm volunteer in throw thick and thin. የትኛውም circumstance ላይ እኔ ችግር የለብኝ ለማለት ነው። throw thick and thin, yeah. We'll have a discussion with you throw thick and thin in all circumstances, right? Through all circumstances. This crop grows through all circumstances means maybe in lowland areas or in highland areas. Through thick and thin. You can watch the video through all circumstances. you can just use slow. It doesn't specify in a particular time in a particular place, so that's called slow, thick and thin. አይመርጥም ነው አይደል? አይመርጥም የሆነ particular time እና ቦታ ሊመርጥ አይችልም. So that is called slow, thick and thick. You can just use this idioms, please. Actually some critical thinking ይፈልጋሉ እነዚህ idioms. Cost an arm and a leg. Yes, to be just what? To be extremely expensive. Yeah, expensive. Yeah. Yes, cost an arm and a leg. You know, cost an arm. An arm. You can just predict cost an arm and a leg means, you know, cost of an arm. An arm, you know, our part of our body, arm. And what about our leg here? Look the distance between an arm and a leg. So you can just guess about what that this idiom represents from pointing of our physical appearances. All right, physical appearance united ምንድነው ሊወክል የሚችለው? We can guess it. All right, መገመት እንችላለን. Things which are very expensive. All right, cost, you know, the first one cost ይላቸዋል እዛ ጋር cost ይላል. And what is our arm? Where is the position? Where do arm and arm is found? Where is our legs? They are a distance, all right? Different direction actually. So you can guess it. ቅድም ያለው ምንድነው? ከኤክስፕሬሽኑ አቀማመጥ ከኤክስፕሬሽኑ ትርጉሙን መገመት እንችላለን. ፊገሬቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው ያላቸው አልኩ ለዚህ ነው። ስለዚህ something which is extremely expensive, so you can just use let me give you, yeah, the phone is look here. The phone is cost an arm, yes, an arm and a leg. So I can't afford it. Yes, I cannot afford it. Yeah, afford to buy it. Exactly, this is a meaning, please. Here the phone is just cost, the price is, or the phone is cost, the phone's cost is, the phone is it costs like this. Yeah, the phone's cost is an arm and the phone's cost is look, the phone's cost is an arm and a leg. An arm and a leg, so I cannot afford to buy it. Yeah, it's actually cost an arm and a leg. So assume you are in a boutique to buy maybe jacket and trousers, maybe, wow, just its cost is an arm and a leg, so I cannot buy it. So it's too much expensive. Something which is expensive, right? You can use life here in Ethiopia, not here in Ethiopia, especially for in Africa. Life in Africa is cost an arm and a leg. We cannot manage life in Africa, life in Ethiopia, because it's extremely expensive. Everything is expensive. We can just use cost an arm and a leg. Something which is extremely expensive costs an arm and a leg. All right, nice. And the other one here is number 5. When pigs fly. When pigs fly. What's pigs means? All right. What pigs means? You know, it's a kind of animal. It's a kind of animal. Pigs. Something that will result, that will never happen. Yes. Something that will never happen. Yeah. Something that will never happen. Oh yes, happen. ይሄ ማለት ነው. Something that will never happen when pigs fly. You know the kind of this are very huge animal. It's impossible to fly on air, unpredictable. All right, there is an implied meaning here, right? And when pigs fly ስንል pigs ማለት አሳማ ነው፣ በጣም ግዙፍ የሆነ እንስሳት ነው አይደል? when pigs fly ማለት ልክ አሳማ ሲበር እንደማለት ነው አይደል? when pigs fly is it possible to fly on air? No, አይደለም። በአየር ላይ መብረር እግሩን ማንሳት በግድ ነው የሚያነሳው አይደል? so when pigs fly ስንል ሊሆን የማይችል ነገር ማለት ነው። yes when pigs fly። ስለዚህ how can you use something that will never happen? በቃ ሊመለስ የሚችል እንደገና ሊከሰት የማይችል ነገር ምናወራበት ከሆነ ወይም ፒግስ ፍላይ እና something that will never happen ለምሳሌ something that will never happen. Let me give you examples please. Yeah, this ever poem when it will never happen please. It just I devoted my time and energy, yes, it never happened. Yes, I did it very hard, right? I did it very hard please. Yeah, when pigs fly ስለዚህ ጋር I devoted my time and energy here, so it will never happen again. So I'm productive. Yes, I felt and I felt tired. Yes, and I felt tired. Yeah, it will never happen please. The problem is severe, so it will never happen again please. ለምሳሌ I devoted my time and energy ስል ብዙ ሰዓትና ጊዜን አጥፍቼ ሰርቻለሁ። ስለዚህ እንደገና ይሄ ነገር ሊበላሽ አይችልም ሊጠፋ አይችልም። ስለዚህ when pigs happen these things will not happen again ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው። ያ these things will not. My result in English is poor and I practice a lot and my result is improved. When pigs happen the problem may not come again. All right, the problem may not get again. All right, actually just people passed a very harsh time here. We did it and we plowed it, we used it, we passed a very harsh time. So when pigs happen I will never see these things this time again please. All right, ሰዎች ችግር ውስጥ ናቸው። ይሄን ችግር ለማሳለፍ ብዙ ጥረው ድረሮችን አሳልፈው ሰሩ። ሶ ስለዚህ አሁን ነገሮች ተሳክለዋል። ይሄ ነገር እንደገና when pigs fly this will never happen again ማለት ነው። right, this will never happen again. All right, maybe I insulted my friend yesterday because of my bad behavior yesterday. I am really sorry for my behavior yesterday. When pigs fly I swear you when pigs fly ምን ማለት ነው? ትራንት መጥፎ ሙድ ነበርና ረብ ሳረብሽ አልቀርም። ሶ ምናልባት just sorry for that excuse ከጠየቁ በኋላ when pigs fly ስለው ይሄን ባህሪ እንደገና አልመልስም አይመለስም I'll not insult you again ለማለት ነው። right, I will not insult you again when pigs fly. Nice please. This is what's called when pigs fly. Yeah, actually just I gave an appointment with my friend but unfortunately I missed it or I forgot it. So when I meet my friend, sorry for that. That was my problem. I had another program with in my office. So when pigs fly, whenever you are going to give an appointment, I will not miss your appointment. I will never forget when pigs fly. ቀጠሮ ሰጥቶ ነበር unfortunately ረስቼዋለሁ ወይ ማልተገኘው ሳገኘው ምንድነው የምለው sorry for that. When pigs fly means I will never do this again. I will never repeat this mistake again. ይሄን ስህተት እንደገና አልደግመው ለማለት ነው when pigs fly. All right, when pigs fly please. Yes, right, something will never happen. My friend borrowed me Thumber and he used for a long time. So when I meet one day my friend asks me excuse, you borrowed me this amount over, still I haven't returned it because I'm in bankruptcy, my pockets full nil, that's why I haven't returned it yet. When pigs fly. All right, when pigs fly ልክ እንደዛ ነው የሚለኝ ጓደኛዬም አሁንም the same meaning. So you can just use this when pigs fly. ልክ ቀደም እንዳልኳችሁ በተለያየ ኮንቴክስት ነው መጠቀም የሚገባ። ለዛ ነው እነዚህን አሜሪካን አይዲዮምስ የምንጠቀምባቸው። all nighter, you know what all means? It's a signal expression, time reference, you know, all nighter. So someone who studies all night ማለት ነው. study all night. Okay, study all night ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት all nighter ስንል all ማለት ሙሉ ቀን ሙሉ ሌሊት ማለት ነው nighter። ስለዚህ all nighter ሲባል nighter እቺ ያር የምታሳይ ፐርሰን ነው personal pronoun ነው ኢንዲኬት የምታደርግልኝ እቺ nighter። so I can guess it what all nighter means. You are all nighter my friend, you are all nighter. You play outside in at daytime but you are not nighter. I know, that's why you stood first from our class. All right, አንተ ቀን ትጫወታለህ ማታ ሌሊት ቁጭ ብለህ ታድራለህ። all nighter ማለት ሙሉ ሌሊት ተቀምጦ የሚያድር ማለት ሙሉ ሌሊት እያጠና የሚያድር ሰው ወይ የሚያድር ተማሪ all nighter ይባላል። all nighter guy. All right, I appreciate you are all nighter. That's really a nice time to study because nothing disturbs whenever you are all-nighter. Means ምንም የሚረብሽ ነገር የለም ሌሊት ስታጠና, because everything is silent, so you are all-nighter. I want to practice your study style, please. All right, so that's all-nighter. I appreciate those who is always all-nighter. All right, I appreciate those who is always all-nighter. Nice, please. All right, ጓደኛን ሳገኘው ምንድነው የምለው? all-nighter. You guy, my friend, all-nighter. Which course have you studied? Yeah, I can say it, all-nighter. Oh, that's because someone who studies all night, you can say that all-nighter. So that's the approach, the meaning of all-nighter, please. The other word is flex. Flex. ይሄ የምናውቀው ይመስለኛል ፊልምስ ለማለት ነው ወይም ምን ለማለት ነው? movies. Nice, please. Movies, yeah. Movies. Flick. Just something which is funny, a bright atmosphere. Flicks. Bright, interesting, smart. So you can say flicks, films, movies. Flicks, idiom no actually. American idiom no. Flicks, English ላይ flicks movie ላይ ሆን ይችላል። India ላይ flicks film ላይ ሆን ይችላል። ግን in American context flicks ማለት films ማለት ነው። I watched a very nice flicks today. I got some more important things for my life. Flicks, yeah. The flicks that I watched yesterday was boring. I got nothing from that. Especially the characters are aggressive, cruel, and just rude. Yes, right. The Hollywood flicks are so smart. He invested $1 million to produce that film, that flicks. I can't talk about what flicks is. Flicks, yeah. Today there is a new flicks in the Ethiopian National Theatre. Today there is a new flicks. Today there is a new flicks in the Ethiopian theatre, Ethiopian cinema, which are produced by Emmanuel and maybe Esther. I don't know who Emmanuel is for us, but I want to teach about the context of what flicks is. Nice. Flicks means just like flicks. May I invite your flicks today? Yeah, of course. May I invite your flicks today? Which film? Flicks, yeah, the new flicks. Especially the characters are Gizao and maybe Dejane, Ethan Curse. Nice. So flicks are the definition, please. You can just use. Does you know talk about fliction? The other was called idioms, yeah. Idiom janky. A drunk, yes. A drug addicted guy, yes. A drug addicted guy, you can say that. Drug addicted. Junkie one, drug addicted, yeah. Someone who is junkie, yes, he's a junkie. Yes, his business only a junkie. His business is yeah. Yes, his business is junkie, yeah. Junkie. His business only junkie, drug. He always drinks alcohol. Yes, junkie guy. I have a friend who is junkie. I have a friend who is junkie. Yes, ጓደኛ አለ junkie ነው ካልኩ በቃ ሁሉ ጊዜ የሚጠጣ ማለት ነው። I have a friend who is junkie. He likes to drink junkie. He also likes to drink alcohol. Junkie guy. A junkie guy doesn't give value for his personality, his families, or the society. He only thinks about to himself, right? Junkie guy. A drug addicted guy, so can say junkie. I miss someone on my road who is junkie. I know he swallow imbalance when he works, right? መንገድ ላይ የሆነ ጀንክ የሆነ ሰውና ጀንክ ነው ሳገረ ስለዚህ የተወላገደ ባላንሱን ጠብቆ አይደለም ሄዶ so I can say that he's a junkie guy, all right? A junkie person. The junkie person lives next to my door. Yes, I know him, he's my neighbor, so I can talk more about junkie. Yes, junkie is not profitable because he always invests his money to drinking alcohol. Junkie, I hate junkie, someone who is junkie, right? So yeah. ለዚህ ነው እነዚህ አሜሪካን አይዲየምስ ልክ እንዳያችሁት አሁን እንደምጠቀምበት በተለያየ ኮንቴክስት ነው ማወራባቸው። ስማርትነታቸው እነሱ እንደዚህ ነው። ስለዚህ በጣም ቀላል ናቸው ቃላቶቹ፣ ፍሬዞቹ ቀላል ናቸው። በፈለግንበት ኮንቴክስት መጠቀም ይችላል። ለምሳሌ ጀንኪ ስም no one may not understand actually. No one may understand about what janky means. If I meet someone who is coming towards me, maybe, and I can guess that he drank some alcohol, maybe he's not on normal mood, so janky guy, I can say that. He doesn't understand what I say to him, janky. Janky means addicted by drugs, okay? I know from his dressing style, his physical style, his talking style, so janky guy. So I hate janky just like you. Lilo uchulalo msara. Designer so yeni alodum na no I hate. I don't have any friend who is janky. Designer janky ono guadanya illenyum. Janky doesn't lead his life, alright? Janky or janky guy doesn't lead his life. Janky mitata addicted on so he yotun guide marag aichelo. So you can just use janky like that. Nice. Rocking means great or awesome. Yes, awesome. Awesome. Rocking, yeah. Rocking, you know, rocking, you know, rocking. What's rocking? Something which is high, rocking, right? High. ዝምብለን ትርጉሙን ፕሪዲክት ስናደርገው ኮንቴክስቹዋል ትርጉሙን actually ኮንቴክስቹዋል ትርጉም የለውም ግን from the surroundings ዝም ብዬ የሆነ ነገር ስረዳ rocking is something which is high, good ለማለት ነው rocking ስንል great rocking. Just my friend is rocking his presentation is rocking. Yeah, rocking ምን ማለት his presentation is rocking ማለት I know here, look here, I know he is experienced teacher, right? Have you seen it? Yes, his presentation is rocking. I know he is experienced teacher. Great, no, awesome, no, experience, you know, right? His presentation is rocking. I know the doctor is really rocking. He's a very wonderful and smart, active doctor, and I can say that rocking doctor, rocking artist, rocking president, rocking minister, and a very awesome. He always thinks about changes, all right? So you can say someone who is found on this way, on this rank, rocking guy, rocking person, rocking girl, rocking woman. So that's rocking means which has positive meaning. Great, yeah. He's a very rocking student, right? His result is greater than 3857 or actually you understood? Yeah, right, maybe. Like rocking doesn't take up, but the other ear here is all ears. Yes, all ears. What all ears means? Yes, all ears. Ready to listen. Yeah, ready to listen. What you want to say? You want to say, yes, want to say. All ears ማለት ማለት ነው። All ears, you know, all ears. I'm all ears. I'm ready to listen ማለት ነው። I'm already. Yeah, please, yeah. I think you gave me an appointment. You phoned me to meet me, so I'm here. So I'm all ears, please. I'm all ears. ደውለልኝ ነበር እንዳገኘ. Yes, of course, I'm here. I'm all ears ማለት ready to hear what you are going to say to me ማለት ነው, right? የምትለኝን ነገር ለማዳመጥ ተዘጋጅቻለሁና የሆነ ነገር በላይ ነው። I'm in the classroom to teach my students to give lecture, and all the students say, "Are you ready?" Yes, sir. I'm all ears. ይሉኛል አይደል? Yes, sir. I'm all ears. We are ready to listen what you are teaching us ማለት ነው, right? ስለዚህ ready ለማዳመጥ አንተ የምታሰማው ለማዳመጥ ዝግጁ ነን። Yes, right. Yes, please start the meeting. We are all ears ይሉኛል አይደል? Please start the meeting. We are all ears, right? ስብሰባውን ጀምረን we are ready to listen about your preaching, right? All ears, very important. Yes, right. Let's have a discussion, please. Yeah, let's have a discussion. I'm all ears. Yeah, እስኪ ውይይታችን እንጀምር. I'm ready to listen about our discussion. ውይይቱን ለማዳመጥ ready ነኝ. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I listen. What you want to say, any aspects, I'm all ears means I'm all ears, miss. Right? I'm all ears. Rocking, great, awesome, flicks, movies. Yes, these are the very important American Idols, I think. I want to share my experience, how you are intended or how you are going to use these American Idols in a different context. Yes, I hope is important, especially for developing your confidence, your vocabulary, your expression, especially for describing, expressing your real life. All right, your real life. እነዚህን መጠቀም ምንም እኔ አሁን ዝም ብዬ ተዘጋጅቼ ሸምድጄ ምናምን ነገር አይደለም እያወራ ያለሁት። ሳምታይምስ ሚስ ላደርግ ይችላል፣ ግን ኤግዛክትሊ ከሲስተም ውስጥ ውጭ ግን አልወጣም። እነዛን አይዲዮሞች መግለጽ በሚቻልበት መንገድ ነው መገልጸው። ለምሳሌ ሮኪንግ ግሬት ማለት ነው። ግሬትን በተለያየ ኮንቴክስት እንጠቀምበታለን። he's a rocking prime minister ሊል ይችላል። he's a rocking great minister, a great prime minister. He always thinks of changes. He always give value to the society, to the people. He leaders, yeah. Awesome prime minister, of course. All right. Out from he is a rocking artist. He is intellectual. He is brave, active, dynamic, optimistic. Artists እንደዚህ ሊገልጸው ይችላሉ። great rocking በሚለው what was the students? What about the doctors? What about guys? The farmers? So you can just use this important American items. I hope you will get some important things. That's enough for today. Next time I'm going to start. I'm going to talk you about, or maybe present about an American slangs. Actually, slangs, and there are some important slangs which go with our daily life experiences. So thank you for the time being. This from Family English Language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Things which are, if you have any comment it please. Nice.